This is what I'm terming as the head part of the Vernier gauge box. I have readjusted the extrusion rate to 92%. It's normally on 100%, and I've changed the Z probe height up slightly for this print. This is a smaller area print, so I don't expect any curling on this really. I think it's mainly the bigger area prints I might get some curling on, corner curling. This is ABS. Most of that's a skirt going around there. This is about a 3.5 print approximately. So we'll be chopping quite a bit out in the video. Let's just watch this come around a little bit more and get started. $235 on the nozzle, 100 degrees on the heat bed there. That's layering onto a PEI sheet which is on top of aluminium. I think there is a slight bore in that aluminium sheet, and this PEI sheet was never laid down totally flat. It does have some ripples and bubbles in. Sometimes you can tell that by looking at the reflection of the smooth rods there at this front edge, particularly when the bed moves forward a bit. See how that's sort of almost rippling. So this is like the main body part where the shaft with the measurements of the Vernier gauge goes. There's some boxes sort of here for spares, and this will fasten onto this part. This is for the head part. That's a basic idea anyway. Okay, I'm going to pause the camera for about an hour, I think. As I say, it's about a 3.5 hour print, so this is just over 1 hour, 1 hour 4 minutes now. Can't see any curling, I don't think, is there? I think it might be a touch in this very right hand corner here. That seems to be curving up. There is a bit of a curve on the side edges. That's been designed to smooth the sharp corners off, but this it almost definitely looks like it's lifting in this corner now, whereas before it was in that other corner. Things can only get worse, generally speaking, but I'm going to leave it. 1 hour 5 minutes, 100 degrees on the heat bed here. PEI sheet with aluminium on the heat pad under that. 235 on the nozzle. I have turned down the extrusion rate to 92%. It's an E3D version with clone with a 0.4 nozzle on there. That's a BL touch. You can see that that's used for auto leveling, auto tramming. I'll just show you the auto tramming a bit in action. So if you watch this as its bed's moving, it's turning. This is the Y axis here, well, one of them. Another one on the other side, and that's raising and lowering this carriage up and down as it prints. That allows for a bit of off kilter on the bed, but I don't think it allows for bone and stuff like that. I believe you can get more points to be tested. So as it's starting up, it touches down in certain places on the bed to check the heights, remembers those places, puts them into storage, and then adjusts the Z probe height to allow for the bed not being totally level. Okay, I'm going to put this, well, pause this, then I'll come back in about another hour. So it's been going 1 hour 6 minutes now, 1.1 on a layer height. Two hours 32 minutes, and it's getting quite near the end. So this section of this box is for the head here, head part. There's like a cutout there for spare battery, indent in a way. And that sort of will have to fasten to the edge of this one. That's for the other part of the Vernier sort of caliper. So it might need some adjustment. I don't know if that's going to be long enough in a way. You can see the cutout for the battery there. Does look like a big curling on this front right hand corner. Previous print curled on the other corner over there, and actually it's finishing off now. Okay, I'm going to pause the camera until it's had a chance to cool down. That is the bed. The bed is set to 100 degrees. 2 hours 33 minutes. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, obviously normally it would be closed. Yeah, that fits in there okay. It doesn't fit in the total length in a way. See how easy that goes under there, because this corner edge here was sort of lifting. That's like a battery, spare battery. I'll get your finger in a bit or something. Apart from that lifting. Good print. Let's put these together, just hold them together like that. Seems to be a little bit of a gap actually in between them. Okay, how does this fit? Oh yeah, it fits quite well. Well, very well really. There's space and movement there. I was surprised it fits that well. Well, think about the depth here, because that is above the depth of this. And then the lid, I don't know whether to do the lid so that that's going to be deeper in a way, a deeper part in the lid. If we can get that out. I've tried to put a bit of a curve around here for, well, get your fingers in, but also like if you have a dial gauge, hopefully there'll be enough space there. We'll push that together, you might see just that small gap. That might be just a case of some filing. So I'm going to have a think about this. That's to do with the depth and a lid. So I'm quite pleased with that. Move ABS juice or something to join the pads together. This is ABS. So there's a couple of almost like trays here to put whatever. Trouble is, making this deeper, it would possibly use quite a bit more plastic. Well, I don't know, because this has infill of 20%. Obviously that will be lined up better than that. Okay, yep, pretty good.